In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snooze an email in Gmail. Snoozing is a simple way to pause an email that you don't need to deal with right now and bring it back to your inbox at a better time, so you stay organized without losing track of what matters. First, open Gmail. When you're looking at your inbox, move your mouse over the email you want to snooze. As you hover, a set of quick action icons will appear on the right side of that message. Click the little clock icon labeled Snooze. A small menu will pop up with a few convenient choices. Later today schedules the email for later the same day, which is great if you just need a short breather. Tomorrow pushes it to the next day so you can pick it up fresh in the morning. This weekend defers it until the weekend, helpful for personal tasks you prefer to handle off hours. Next week saves it for the start of the upcoming week, which is useful for planning your Monday priorities. If none of those presets fit, choose Pick Date and Time. You'll see a calendar and time picker where you can set a precise moment that matches your schedule. Think about when you're most likely to take action, perhaps right after a recurring meeting or during your daily planning block, then confirm your selection. The moment you snooze, the email disappears from your inbox. Don't worry, that's exactly what should happen. It isn't deleted or archived permanently. Gmail simply holds it and automatically returns it to your inbox at the date and time you picked, so it shows up when you're ready to handle it, just like a new message. You can also snooze from inside the email itself. Open the message to view it, then look at the top toolbar above the email content. Click the snooze clock icon there and select a date and time just like before. This approach is handy when you've opened a message, realized you don't have the time or information to handle it, and want to make sure it comes back when you do. That's all there is to it. Snoozing helps you keep your inbox focused on what you can act on today while ensuring nothing gets forgotten. Use the presets for quick scheduling and the custom pick for exact timing. With just a couple of clicks, you'll turn your inbox into a reliable reminder system that works on your schedule.